Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I was out and about with the Hobbs and talked him into swinging me into St. Vincent's DePaul, and I'm here to share what I found. So I found these baseball sleeves, and we all use these for pocket letters. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for $1.53, and they're the nice heavy one by that Pro. I didn't think that was bad. I don't remember what they were for a big package of these, but $1.53, I figured, what the hell. And then I came across this, and it was washable Crayola finger paint. And I thought it was good mowing, and it seemed like it was still good. Maybe a little shaken up. Got a blue and then a green. And I don't know what these would be in the store, but I paid $1.23 for both of these tubes for the greens. I thought that was a good deal. I thought, cool. And then I came across this. So $2.93. I like the shape of it. And I don't know what they would be used for, but I thought they were cool looking. I have this wrapped up. Alright. And I think they were maybe for placemats, maybe. But it's kind of cool paper. I could do some mixed media on it. I mean, there's a lot here, guys. A lot. Look at the stack of that. So, grab that. Put that over here. And of course, I always buy these folders when I see them. These were 93 cents, legal size. Manily, I don't know. But I call them office furniture. Or office furniture. Office folders. Oh boy, I can't talk today. So got that. Then I found this. I'm hoping this works for my future project I have, and I'll share that. It's Lazy Susan, 93 cents. So, you'll see this in a future project. And then I found a little whatever cutter. I don't know who makes it. $2.23. Let's see if it cuts. I didn't even check that out, but I forgot for that price. I know somebody's always looking for little cutters. That's good. It's real good, actually. It's got a safety precaution, too. So you gotta watch that. And then this opens and it has a drawer. So I got that. That's cool. Oh, awesome. And then I have a future project, and I just ordered some, and of course I didn't realize I'd go, but that's alright. I found bingo daubers, so I got let's figure out what colors. If the little, I've never bought. I told Bima last night because I was talking to her. I've never bought bingo daubers in my entire life, so I have a project I want to do these with. So we'll see if they work. Oh yeah, that one's it's like a hot pink. Yes. And I paid 90 cents a piece for these. Ooh, oh, there's red. I was like, wait a minute. But, so I got that one. And then we got this one. Ooh, that's pretty blue. Already doing mixed media, guys. You guys can't even tell. You can't even see what I'm doing. I'm bad. Here's a... They were pretty full, too. Green one. Oh. And then... This one they wanted $2.93, and I said, take that out. And the lady gave them to me for the same price as the rest. It's like, because I find that weird that some are priced differently. So she gave them to me for the price that the rest, the majority were, which was 93 cents. This one is like a teal. Pretty. And got another dark blue. Ooh. That one came out real fast. This one's kind of got a grit to it. Oh, is this a glitter? I wonder if that's what the grit is. I'm trying to get the tag off so we can see. Because I realized that last night that some of them you can buy with glitter in. I was like, oh my god. Wow. Okay, let's see. The New Frontier, Las Vegas, Nevada. It's just dab on the ink. New Frontier, Nevada. So this came from Las Vegas. Bima, your daubers made it to Vegas. Or Vegas. Well, I can't speak. Your daubers made it all the way to Wisconsin. Oh, look at this. These are all from casinos. This is the Turbipes. Looks Town Casino. RV Park. Be a winner. Interesting. I probably said that name wrong. Terrible's Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas. So that's from Las Vegas. Potawatomi Bingo Casino. That's here. I know where Potawatomi. Unless that's in Wisconsin. Yeah. Okay. So we got two from Las Vegas sitting here. Okay. There's another one from Fremont Street, 50,000 Bingo, Las Vegas. Ooh, oh, there we go. That's a dark color. I have to shake them up a little bit. And then we got another one. Where's this one from? This one, Ultimate Wink. Oh, okay. This is just one. Ooh. What's a pretty blue? I tell you, can't go by the covers. And that's the Bingo Daubers. Plus, I ordered some last night. For a future project, guys. I got an idea in my head I want to try. So, then, I got two little bags of goodness. I paid $1.70. I don't know what's in this one. I just bought it. If I could. Because it had stickers in. I think. So we got baby clothespins. Oh, look at this. This is kind of cool. It's a bookmarker. Love, love, love. It's metal. And a little pin. Some little Lion King stickers. And then we got some butterfly stickers. We got some little emoji looking stickers. And then these are cool. This is why I bought it. I thought Riley would like this. Glue, pencils, paper, clip pins, stickers, markers. But I was thinking nothing else. I'm going to save these. Want to be cute labels for my stuff? Dry eraser, first aid, art supplies, construction paper, word strips, scissors, glue, pencils, paper. So got a couple of the same ones. So I could keep a set for myself. I thought it was kind of cool. When I saw them, that's actually why I bought the bag. I thought these were cute. So I got that bag. And this bag, I thought was really cool for $1.23. Oh! I went a flying. As they had Bell temporary body sticker, but you can use them for sticker. I wanted that. But and then it's strawberry shortcake, and it said tattoos. But I know that there's a way to make them in stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, okay. Just one sheet in there. Yeah, but I thought they're cute. And then it came with these 2 sheets of little dinosaurs. I'll stick that in Coda's little box for me because they're boyish. But that is all my St. Vincent Paul. Listen, I didn't have much this weekend that kind of caught my fancy. So, but that's my haul. Thought I'd share. These are cute. This is really nice. So that kind of worth that buck right there just for this. I'll give this probably to Diamond. She always has bookmarkers. So I want to thank y'all for watching. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, everybody.